Activity 1. Introduction.
Knock the egg.
Tap the icon in the middle to discover the new word.
Snake. Snake. Sock. Sock. Sun. Sun.
Activity 2. Sound discrimination. Move the pig to get the sound. Activity 3. Letter formation.
Trace the letter. Good job!
Snake.
Trace the letter. Good job!
Snake.
Activity 4. Sound isolation.
Ready, set, go! Drag the picture that ends with the sound socks. Socks. Drag the picture that ends with the sound cats. Cats. Drag the picture that ends with the sound bricks. Bricks. Drag the picture that starts with the sound snake. Snake. Drag the picture that starts with the sound seal. Seal. Drag the picture that starts with the sound sun. Sun.
Activity 5. Learn sight words.
Rocking clown.
Tap on the balloons to keep the clown balanced. The. Which one is the? Which one is the? Which one is the?
Good job!
Activity 6. Sound discrimination.
Catch the chicken and put it in the right coop.
Activity 7. Learn vocabulary.
Choose 2 pictures that match. Socks. Seal. Socks. 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 Seal. 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 sun, snake. Sun, snake. Snake, snake. Snake. Sun, sun. Sun.
Congratulations! You finished the lesson!